So how are you doing? Hello world.
Hello.
What is it that you have just done?
I just made my first loop program on a robot.
You made your first loop program.
Yes.
Where is the code going to execute?
Through this wire.
No, it doesn't execute through the wire. It executes on the processor
Yes.
in the device, right?
Yes.
Okay. So it executes in that. All right. So what does your program do?
It beeps 5 times.
It beeps 5 times.
But it has a space for 2 seconds before it beeps.
It beeps 5 times. It has a space for 2 seconds. So why don't you explain the code to the audience here? This is your code right here. Go ahead and explain how this works.
This is the sound, but if I just did this.
Well, where does the execution of the code begin?
Right here.
What is that block called where it begins?
Start.
Start block, okay?
Start block.
What is the structure, the big box all about? What happens there?
That is a loop.
That's a loop. Did you configure it to run to infinity?
No, I set it to run to 5
iterations, they call it. 5
Yes.
iterations, so it's going to do it 5 times. Okay. What's inside the loop? What is the program going to do 5 times?
It beeps 5 times, but there's a space before. There's a space for 2 seconds
After
before
each beep. What would happen if you didn't put the space in? If it did 5 iterations of the beep with no space, no time?
It would just be a long beep.
It'd just be one long beep. We would never hear it because why? The processor is very fast or slow?
Very.
It's very fast. Processors are very, very fast. Okay. So now you downloaded the code using this cable. This is USB down into the robot. Show us what the robot does now.
I hit program.
1,
1,
2, 2 beeps, 3 beeps, 4 beeps, 5 beeps. All right, so you're 8 years old. You just wrote your first loop. It was a beep loop.
Yes.
You are well on your way to MIT. Excellent.